Weather Service in Norton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Hampshire County in western Massachusetts, northwestern Hampton County in western Massachusetts, until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:02 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Blandford, or 13 miles northwest of Westfield, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Southampton and Huntington around 3:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Northampton and East Hampton around 3:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Holyoke around 3:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.